Imagine waking up one day to find out that scientists have no idea how your house was built. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly the mystery behind the Great Pyramid of Giza, a 4,500-year-old structure so massive and precise that even modern engineers are left scratching their heads. But before we reveal the secrets of this ancient wonder, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Your one like motivates us so much and helps us bring more mind-blowing content like this. Now let's dive in. The Great Pyramid of Giza isn't just an old pile of stones. It's an architectural masterpiece that has stood the test of time. At 147 meters tall, it was the world's tallest man-made structure for over 4,000 years. And here's the real shocker. It was built using millions of massive stones, some weighing up to 80 tons each. That's like lifting the weight of 10 elephants, without modern machinery. But here's the question, how did they do it? Historians and scientists have proposed multiple theories, but none seem to fully explain the mystery. Some believe the Egyptians built huge ramps to drag these stones up. But how would they build a ramp long and strong enough for such a massive structure? It would require more materials than the pyramid itself. Another theory suggests that Egyptians used advanced pulleys and levers, but there's no historical evidence of such technology existing at that time. Some even believe the stones were floated on water, but transporting multi-ton blocks across the desert? Sounds nearly impossible, and here's where things get even weirder. The pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with the cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west, with an accuracy of just 0.05 degrees. That's more precise than what most modern buildings achieve. The measurements of the pyramid coincidentally match the dimensions of Earth, as if the builders had knowledge of planetary geometry. Even today, we can't fully replicate the pyramid's precision using modern construction techniques. Could the ancient Egyptians have possessed knowledge lost to time? Or was there an unknown force behind this engineering marvel? Some researchers believe the Great Pyramid might have been built using advanced technology that has since been lost. Others even suggest alien intervention, pointing to how many ancient civilizations built pyramids without any connection to each other. What do you think? Was it pure human ingenuity, lost ancient technology, or something beyond our understanding? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating mysteries.